Hey, Derek and Derek, DC and Derek,
Double D's.
double D's. We are here. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to introduce you to our new job. Look at that. The demo crew has been here. Let's start at the front door. Just bear with me. I'm gonna have to walk through all the crap without sticking a nail through my shoe. Front of the building. This restaurant bar type joint was built in 1971. There's a kitchen. You walk in here, it's kind of weird. You walk in, you see the kitchen. There's a little closet. Derek's in the new bathroom here. There's a bathroom way in the back there. Yonder there. Now let's go this way. You can look at the guys cooking here as you walk in, and
They ain't cooking today.
over here there's going to be tons of booths going all the way down, and tables all the way down. I'm going to tell you a little bit more when we get back there. But one of the first things we did, we had the safe cracker come, because this safe door was here and no one knew the combo. It had been locked for years and years and years, and nobody knew what it was. So the guy got the thing open, we opened it up, and there's a window on the other side of it. So somebody installed a safe door just to cover up the window, I guess as a joke or some kind of decor or something, I don't know, but I think it's pretty cool. So it stays. It's gonna stay. Over here is where the bar was, 20-foot long bar. It started right there, and it went all the way down here to there. We're gonna extend it another 25 feet all the way to that stack of lumber right there. All the liquor bottles and everything was on shelves right here. So you see we got the dig going, replacing the new drains. My new wall is going to be metal stud framing. It's already built, but it's outside, and we're clearly not ready to bring it in yet. They have to redo the ceilings. This is what we're waiting for right now, all these ceilings. And we're trying to stay far away while they're doing this because it's just nasty, dirty. And I'm doing this video right now before all the crews get here and start working. The framing crew came in and built out this little fireplace area. That's a new little feature. Let me back off here a little bit like this. Looks pretty nice. I don't know how long that guy's been here. Derek, why didn't they take that down?
Well, he's seen some things for sure.
Well, look at that guy over there. He's seen some shit too. Look. That's the Christmas light hook.
Reindeer?
Over there. That's a reindeer. Okay, so we're going to work our way back. There'll be booths here, and we'll do some more videos as we go along. I'm not going to do many YouTube shorts. I'm just going to upload videos of this. A little station over here for people to do stuff. And here's where we've been working the last couple of days, Derek and I. We made this little elevated seating area. We framed all the little back wall in. It's going to be a ledge for people to put drinks on and stuff. And there will be a seating area that goes all the way around. And we went ahead and put these oak steps in now.
Of course, they're dirty.
Right. This post is going to come out right here. That's going to go away. Derek, you want to tell them why? What they did here to get that post out?
Yeah, they had to come in here and cut this out and put these huge beams alongside this big steel beam that's going this way. So now instead of having one in the dead center, we're going to have them on the sides holding this whole thing up.
Propping up the center of the
so
room there.
Go away.
And there's the other beam there. There's one. You can see the other one down there.
Yeah, that was a job in itself for them.
Well, it sucks because they're doing that and we're over here working, and it's just, we got all the trades in here at once. trying to get this thing knocked out quickly. They only wanted to shut down for 2 or 3 weeks. So we came through here and first stripped the ceiling, and we pre-stained and clear coated these panels that are going to go up here. And here's the trim that we're going to stain today. And we'll just trim all these seams, make them look nice. And we'll do a little, you know, a little grid covering all the seams, and then we'll put some on the 4-foot mark of these 8-foot plywoods. Make it look like little squares going all the way down. And we put all the siding up here, pre-stained it and clear coated it in the shop. And this was done because it was original to the front of the building up there. Like that's original. And all the way back over there where we came from, there's more of this all over the walls. So they wanted to go ahead and just replicate that back here. I think today we're going to stain this one too. Put some clear on it. We'll stain this little thing here, this little ledge. We went ahead and cut our 45s and cut the outlets out here yesterday. Electrician, these are just kind of dummied on here right now, laying on here, because we're going to put some more outlets in this one. I think they're going to put lamps up here as well behind the seating. It's going to be real nice up here. So this is what we're doing right now. A couple of more things. We'll go out this little side door. We try to do a lot of work in the shop and then show up at the job site ready to go, so we don't have to do everything on site. These are the metal stud framed walls here that we did at the shop, and they're just kind of ready to go in now. But we're also kind of going to come through here for their new CO2 tank, which is outside. This guy's over here working on it right now. We're going to build a big steel cage around this whole area, and it'll be a little storage room out here. I think those flooring guys need to come get their scraps.
Yeah, there's a lot of it.
So we'll go back in. We have a Dr. Seuss door opening here. I don't know who did that. We're going to reframe that. But here we go. This is what we're doing. I haven't done any videos of the progress here so far. Here's some of this original. I guess it's not really beadboard because it's got these V grooves. And beadboard has a little bead in here. So it took us a minute to find this stuff, but we ended up finding it. And it's been here for a long time, and it looks exactly like what we did over here. We'll get a quick shot here. It's the exact same stuff. Ours is just a little prettier because it's newer. But there we go. So there's a little 8.5 minute update, 9-10 minute update, whatever.
Telling the Tom Cruise is here?
Yeah. Hey, is that picture still over there?
They took it all off so they get damaged.
This was also a little, I forgot about this. They had this ATM at the front of the building over there, and they wanted to cut this wall out, so we cut this wall out and shoved that in there.
Pretty it up.
You know, so it doesn't take up any room anymore. There's the girl shitter right there.
Boy, right there's the men's.
Boy, there's the men's right down there.
Office to the left, storage to the right.
So there were some pictures here on the wall, and they were big poster frame pictures. And well, Tom Cruise filmed a movie here. It was
in the 80s called Born on the 4th of July. So if you guys go look up that movie, you'll know where we're at.
Yeah, there's a bar scene in there where they're in here filming one of the Tom Cruise scenes in this place. It was pretty cool. I had to go back and look at the movie just to see it in action, you know. Anyway,
a lot of history.
As we go along here, we'll shoot some more videos and upload them. Until then, enjoy all this mess. There's Tommy over there. Tommy, tell them about your event you do here, your Legapalooza.
This will be the 15th year of doing a charity event for amputees here in Dallas. We've raised over $500,000 here in Milos for this local support group.
Boom.
It's called Legapalooza. We have bands, we have auctions, we have raffles, we have a full fun day of you name it, we have it.
And you're gonna do that this year too, right?
Yeah.
Every
We're
year.
do it across the street because we're closed.
I'd show you all their posters they had on the wall here of all their events they had for Legapalooza, but those are obviously in safekeeping right now.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is what she looks like now. I can't wait for everyone to see the final result. We'll do a few more updates as we go along. I'll try to put one up every week until we're completely done. And then we'll come back one day when it's operating and we'll show you how we'll let you be a fly on the wall and look at the action. Till then, D, anything else?
Stay tuned.
Okay.
It gets better.
Talk to you soon.